First step is to simply drill a hole in the back of your juice bottle. Next step is just simply to take your plastic pump adapter. You can get these usually when you buy a pump at the shop. It'll just come with it, and push it as far as you can into the hole in the back of your bottle. And just simply hot glue that in place. Once you've hot glued your plastic pump attachment to the back of the bottle, the next step is just to heat up some pipe and slide it over the pop top, so it can pop in, pop out like that. The next step is to simply heat up the pipe, and then once it's nice and hot, slide in your orange conduit. Now just wrap this part up in tape. Once you're done, it should look like this. Next step is simply to snap a pump on the back and then pump it up. Stick a Nerf bullet in and then pop the top. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you can see, I've given mine a bit of a paint job. Comment if you got any more ideas on how to improve this, and subscribe for some more cool videos. Thanks for watching. See you later.